Hey fuckers, how you doing? The light was like, here's your beautiful smile. Anyway, meet you downstairs in the bar and hurt your rolled up sleeves and your skull t-shirt. You said, what did you do with him today? And sniffed me out like I was Tanqueray. 'Cause you're my fella, my guy. Ooh, hand me your Stella and fly. By the time I'm out the door, you tear men down like Roger Moore. My seat fell down, and I cheated myself like I knew I would. And I told ya I was trouble. You know that I'm no good. Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water. Ooh, and I think of all the things, what you're doing, and in my head I paint a picture. Well, since I come on home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss my ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Oh, won't you come on over, stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over? I won't say, I'm not gonna say, I won't say, why don't you come on over? Did you have to go to jail? Put your house on up for sale? Did you get a good lawyer? Did you hope you didn't catch a 10? Hope you found the right man who will fix it for you. Are you shopping anywhere? Change the color of your hair. Are you busy? Did you have to pay that fine? You was dodging all the time. I used to daisy. Since I come on home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? I forgot I said I won't say. Okay, so after 3 minutes of somebody, sure most of you are already gone by now, which is why I talk after I sing, because, you know, I only want the ride or die here, which is what I'm about to do. But regardless, I only need the ride or die here, okay? And, oh, did you hear that? But yeah, after 3 minutes of singing, all the fuckers are gone. So I'm gonna say that I'm about to go home and get on Twitch, which is gonna be very hard for me because I have to deal with Michelle Carter's ass, and I swear to God, I just want to run into her once, just once, and you know what's gonna happen from there. I'm flexible. I did gymnastics. I did some taekwondo. I took street fighting lessons. I will beat a bitch. I just will. I hate her, and I want to beat her up. So, fuck her. and fuck everything she stands for. Look, God gave me a halo just for saying that. Thank you. But, yeah. So, anyway, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, shit. I had to text somebody, and it sucks because I can't text when I'm on a video, so it kind of pisses me off sometimes. No. I know some people are gonna be pretty happy about this, although I'm in the dark, so fuck you. Hold on. I try to make them go away right away. Don't inhale on my cigarette. Hold on. No! Oh, I think they're here to stay. God damn it. You know, this is what I get for being... Sorry, I'm trying to stretch my diaphragm, you know? Open my coat. Stretch that shit. That was perfectly timed. Oh my god. Ooh. Shit, they might just go right away. Sorry. I think... Hold on. I'm trying to make them go away. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? I'm fucking sorry. Look into my beady eye and understand how sorry I am. I scared myself. Maybe that's why they went away. Sweet. I even hit a cigarette. They're gone. Oh, fuck. I am definitely gonna, what do you call it? I don't know. What do people, when they make a title that is like, not, they're trying to get people on their videos? Oh, I forgot. But I'm gonna do that shit. Respect me. Respect me. I dare you to test me. Test me. And I'd rather be tested by goddesses resting their heads upon pillows of all they have learned. I am not to be forgotten. Drop your books when I walk in. Magic talks without talking. I'll make the most. Before the coffin, born to be desired. Gotta know their eyes are always on the next goal. And space isn't there to always be filled up. It's the quiet, the downtime to breathe in my lungs, 'cause I'm mortal. Defected by this form. No. And I beg to be tested by goddesses resting their heads upon pillows of all they have learned.